In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashlane in your browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what you're looking at so you can move confidently between Dashlane's key areas without any guesswork. Start by opening your web browser and going to Dashlane. You can do this by visiting the Dashlane website or by making sure the Dashlane extension is active in your browser. This walkthrough focuses on using Dashlane once it's already available in your browser, so you should see the icon ready to go. Look toward the top right of your browser window and click the Dashlane icon. That click opens the compact panel where you'll access everything you need day to day. Think of this panel as your command center. It's where you jump to key features quickly without leaving the page you're on. Inside that panel, find the section labeled Value and click it. This area is designed to show you what Dashlane brings to your browsing experience. You'll see the features that help you save time, reduce errors, and keep your information organized. If you're exploring for the first time, this is a great place to get oriented because it puts the essentials in one easy view. Next, move to autofill. Click autofill to see how Dashlane streamlines forms and sign-ins. When autofill is available, Dashlane recognizes fields like email, username, and password, and it can securely fill them for you. This reduces typos and speeds up logins on sites you visit frequently. If a field isn't filling the way you expect, simply check the panel to confirm what's detected on the page and choose the entry you want to use. It's a quick way to make sure the right information goes into the right place without retyping. Then click Generator. This tool creates strong, unique passwords instantly so you don't have to invent them yourself. Use it anytime you're setting a new password on a site or updating an old one. The generator produces a complex password that's difficult to guess, and Dashlane is designed to remember it for you so you don't have to. When you generate something you like, make sure you apply it on the website you're updating and allow Dashlane to save it. That way your next login will be seamless with autofill. That's it. You went to Dashlane, opened it from the top right of your browser, clicked Value to see what it offers, and used autofill and generator to work smarter and more securely. Keep these clicks in mind, and you'll navigate Dashlane with confidence every time you browse.